AVIT Manufacturing is working with very demanding customers in different industries. How is digitization changing the way you work?
Digitization is changing the way we work by fully integrating our processes into one mapped system. Instead of being in silos, we're taking our full workflow and digitizing that into one system.
You're also working to enhance the role of women in manufacturing, is it?
Yeah, so dealing with the skills shortage in Canada, I'm looking at the underrepresentation of women in the workforce, especially in manufacturing. So I'm working on programs across the country to advance more women in manufacturing.
What are you currently doing to address the evolution of the skills required to your workers, apart from the question of women?
I look for good people, and then I like to cross-train them. So when I bring in skilled trades, I want to teach them the digital tools that they're using in the engineering office, and vice versa. I think that if we really look at flexible workers and dual-trained workers, that we'll have a much more flexible workforce.